Okay, we have another case on the board, and this one is quite simple. The question is this: can you solve this? Can you determine x in this equation? Can you solve for s in this equation? It is quite simple. Let us now see how we can resolve it all together. Okay, the first thing is to write down the equation. That is the first thing you need to do. Okay, we have the equation. We have the equation. Is what we have. Okay, the next thing is to open up this very exponent. And when we open up, we have okay 1/3 to open up. That 1/3 times 9 become 9/3. 1/3 times s, we have s/3 equal 12. Equal 12. Okay, we can still go further. We can still go further. Okay, 9. We can divide here. 9 divide 3. 9 divide 3, we are going to have 3 power 3, okay? And here we cannot divide, we need to repeat that, that's s over 3, okay? We still have equal 12, equal 12. Now, for this part, I can still go further, I can see 3 power 3 divides 3 power s over 3 equal 12. Okay, for this one, I will have to multiply all through by this denominator, that 3 power s over 3. I will have to multiply all through. Therefore, I will have 3 power s over 3 times 3 power s over 3. And here, when I multiply this one, here, remember, I'm multiplying all through by this. Therefore, I'm going to have 3 power 3 left for this part. Okay, I will also do the same thing to the one of 12. I will have this 3 power s, okay, 3 power s over 3 in brackets. You can multiply all through. Okay, for this part now, I have a common base. Please don't forget the law of indices. Whenever you have a common base and you are dealing with multiplication, simply take one of the base and add up the indices. Therefore, I will have 3 power s over 3 plus s over 3 for this very one. Okay, we still have this. That 3 power 3 will be 27. 27, yeah, remain. That's 12, and we still have one bracket, 3 power s over 3. Okay, what can we do again? For this part, we are not yet through. We need to add up the fraction. Okay, I'm going to have 3 power 2s over 3. We will add up. Okay, we still have plus 27 equal 12, and we have a bracket 3 power s over 3. Okay, we can still go further. We can still go further. For this one, I can rewrite it, I can rework it, become 3 power s over 3, and the square will be outside plus 27, okay, equal 12. Okay, we still have the one in bracket, 3 power s over 3. Okay, I cannot say now, let 3 power s over 3 equal p. It means that wherever I have 3 power s over 3, I have to replace it with p. Therefore, it becomes p squared plus 27, okay, equal 12p. Okay, I will have to move it over. Remember the standard way of writing quadratic equation. It means that everything needs to be set to 0. Okay, I need to move this one over, become p squared plus, okay, this one need to move over, become minus 12p. Okay, this one shifts, become plus 27 equals 0. This is the standard way of writing, the standard form of writing a quadratic equation. Now we have quadratic equation. I need to factorize the equation. I need to think of two numbers. I can add up to get the coefficient of p, and when I multiply it, I will have plus 27. And the numbers are simply minus 9, okay, minus 3. Therefore, I will now have minus 9p, and here will be minus 3p. And when I still multiply minus 9 times minus 3, I will have plus 27. Okay, equal 0, equal 0. Okay, we can still go further. I need to pick the first two and factorize. I also pick the other one factorize. Now, what is the highest common factor for this? It's simply p. For this very part, the highest common factor is p. Okay, when I factor it out, Here will be left with P, here will be left with P for this one, and I will have 9 there. Okay, I will also factor -3 out because -3 is the highest common factor, and you have P. Okay, this minus will affect the plus become minus here, and here is 9 equal 0. Equals 0. Now, what can we do again here? It means that the brackets are the same. Okay, since the brackets are the same, I'll have to pick one of the brackets, okay, and do away with the other one, and the one outside will form the second bracket, and we'll have this. Okay, it means that P minus 9 equals 0, or P minus 3 equal 0. Now I need to look for P. It means that P is equal 9 or P equal 3. But in the equation, we don't have P and we have X, meaning we need to determine X now. We need to move further. Okay, if P is equal 9, what will happen? I need to take your mind back to this very portion. Okay, become what? Okay, I'm going to have 3 power s over 3 equal 9. Remember, the base are different. I need to equalize it. I need to reduce it to the base of this. Become the 3 power s over 3 equal 3 squared. Now we have an equal base. Mean that this one can go. Okay, it will now be left with the indices. S over 3 equal 2. Okay, I need to cross multiply, and when I cross multiply, I will have S equal 6. Yes, of course. Now, what about if P is equal, okay, if P equal 3, okay, what will happen to X? How can we determine X? How can we determine X? Now, bringing your mind back to this portion, 3 power S over 3 equal P. It means that whenever I have P, I will put 3, become 3 here. Now we have an equal base. Don't forget that 3 power 1 is same as 3. Therefore, these base are the same. You can eliminate. Therefore, we now have X over 3 equal 1. I want to also cross multiply. And when I cross multiply, S is going to be 3 at the end. S is going to be 3 at the end. Meaning that the value of X now are simply, the value of X are simply 3 or 6, as we have solved in the very solution. Thank you for joining me on the platform, GB Jumbo Online Mathematics. Please also join me on YouTube, Mathematics Science Mega Tutorial. All the best.